Happy Monday. How do you feel today? Start of the week. How was your weekend? Did you enjoy? Or everything went well for you? Or you didn't enjoy? Or people didn't treat you well? Or people ignored you, disrespected you? It's okay. You know what? One thing remember. What other people do to you, it shows who they are. It's what's inside them. It just comes out. Nothing to do with you. You love yourself and respect yourself. Those people are still sleepwalking. Those people, they don't know how to treat you. Those people, they're the ego inside them. And one day they will wake up. So just let it go. Today is a new day, a new start. Enjoy the day. Get up and take action. Do something for your life. And most importantly, a great reminder for you, be happy and be grateful that you're still here, still breathing. Enjoy your day, take action, and just let go of the past. Let's go of the weekend or other days, whatever happened. Today is a new day. Be happy. Very important.